Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the people of the world. We will be doing this thing for and Armin will do this. Bahala na.
Okay. We will do this experiment just to prove that aircon sounds like a printer.
Yeah.
when you put this paper inside. Okay, let's start.
See?
Have you heard that?
It sounds like a
Sounds
printer.
like a printer.
You want another try? Okay.
Okay, another try. See?
Okay, with the paper inside,
Yeah.
including this one.
Observe.
Put the paper inside.
That's all for now.
Okay, thank you very much.